we'll go through the steps of adding, editing, and deleting a user onto MyGeotab. You'll first want to begin by going to the People tab on the left-hand side panel, clicking on Users and Drivers, clicking on Add on the top of the page. From there, you want to put in your user's email, followed by their first and last name, and fill in these fields as required. Scroll down and go to the Authentication and Security tab and click No for Forced Password Change and put in a temporary password. Once that's done, scroll down to Security Clearance, and for this example, we'll be putting Supervisor, but that depends all on the individual that's creating an account. Once that's done, go to the UI settings. An important note to make about the user interface settings. By default, the UI settings will be based on the information of the individual creating the account. Therefore, if the user is located in a different location than the individual creating the account, you can change the information such as currency, time zone, and so on under the UI tab. Now, once that's all done, you're going to click Save on the top of the page. And now you can see that the information for this user has been populated. To make any edits to this user, simply click on their name, make any of the required edits. For example, you can reset the password under the Authentication and Security section. Once you've done that, click Save on the top of the page. And all your edits would have been made. Now to delete a user, simply click on their name one more time and click Remove on the top and click Delete. And that is a step-by-step process of adding, editing, and deleting a user onto MyGeotab.